Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change your photo into an art piece in one click on CapCut. So here you need to add a photo to your CapCut, and you can go to the effect and click on the photo effects. After that, just swipe the tab in here, the category, until you find portrait, and then you'll find there's an RT effect. So just click on that and wait for it to generate in your to your photo. So this is the result. You can just click on the check icon, and after that your photo will be changed into an art piece like this, like a painting. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.